Comedian and media personality Elva Ruddock sent off in cheerful and colourful celebration.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It was a festive occasion at the send-off ceremony for popular comedian and media personality Elva Ruddock at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium at Jamaica College on Saturday, November 10th, with only minimal tears being shed. The event, which had the flavor of a comedy show more than a funeral service, brought out a wide cross-section of the Jamaican society that gathered in their thousands for Ruddock's final farewell.
Featuring the black and band, and this time we're gonna get funky. Funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left now. Take it back down, y'all. Ready? One out this time. Right foot, left stop. Left foot, left stop.
You see, you're still getting confused.
It was a grand show, with many of the island's leading comedians breaking the program to bring laughter to the gathering. Also, all those who paid tributes in songs and speeches had those in attendance in stitches and kept them clapping and laughing as they gave anecdotal references from their interactions with Ruddock. The comedian had graced countless stages across the island and overseas, with her endearing personality bringing cheers and laughter to many. She was also a regular on Fame FM's program Full House Friday, as well as being one of the main characters in the local wholesale retail company Bashko's daily infomercial on CVM television. Ruddock died on October 7th after battling the chronic illness lupus for years. She was afflicted by the autoimmune disease in which the body's immune system attacks its own healthy tissues.
Recently, I was making my grand entrance on stage and my shoes caught, it was a board stage. My booty catching on one of the board and I dropped right back on my back.
Oh no, that could be dangerous.
But I have cushioning, I'm good. So
adequate cushioning.
I bounced up and it became a part of the routine because I immediately took the shoes off and threw them to the side and I said, people, if your right hand offend you, what the Bible say if you do?
Cut it off.
Cut it off. And I said, then if your boot drop you, what you do? You then fling it off. So me fling it off and me continue with my work.
To the world.
Yeah, that's what we do as comedians.
No, I tell you, that is a good one. It is indeed a pleasure working with you, Elva, man.
Thank you, thank you.
You really need to spend more time in the kitchen.
Most definitely,
most
definitely. I will come back anytime you want me, just holla.
On Saturday, the packed auditorium was decked with Ruddock's pictures and life-size cutouts at the entrance to greet the colourful dresses. In fact, according to co-host Christopher Johnny Daly, like the cheerful colours of those in attendance, the full funeral program was done by Ruddock before her death, including a request for no church service. Before the start of the official funeral program, the early attendees were treated to a video presentation that charted some of Ruddock's hilarious moments in her personal life and while working. It also had some leading figures in the Jamaican society giving tributes.
I stand up on the car. Everyone push come together. But the car.
Emotionally or financially stressed. Don't do it. The whole point of you taking a break is so that you can ease off some of the stress. So So I'm not saying YOLO, but with sense, yeah? I go to hotels all the time and I see guests walking around just burdened, space just long, just totally defeats the purpose as far as I'm concerned. I mean, maybe that's how they enjoy themselves. But do it according to your pocket. So if you can't afford a big fancy hotel, there are bread and breakfasts all over this beach.
During the program, Minister of Culture, Gender, Sports and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy-Grange, said Ruddock brought sunshine on a rainy day, with a wit that was easy, sharp and quick. Grange said that Ruddock lived their last social media post, which said, "Life will not be perfect, but we have to make it work." According to Grange, Ruddock left the corporate world to pursue some of the things that make Jamaica and Jamaicans unique, but which are still fighting to get local recognition and support. Pastor Rowena Leifer-Hines described Ruddock as not being hypocritical, while serving laughter and advice to those around her. Leifer-Hines said Ruddock wanted her friends to be comfortable in the mind, and personally placed God at the front of most things that she did. She said Ruddock also had a special love for her father and her family in general. Alun Endowment Asamba spoke on behalf of Ruddock's friends at the Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy, where the comedian went for her secondary education. Their friends sent messages to Asamba describing their interactions with Ruddock while at school, which Asamba read. Dr. Dennis Howard, who spoke on behalf of the RJR group of companies, said Ruddock lived a legendary life which was about serving people. Speeches also came from Omar Azan of Bashko and Dr. Michael Abrams, as well as various performing groups that Ruddock worked with over the years. Digital Rising Stars 2017 winner Short Boss and Alex Welcome paid tribute in songs.
She do it fair way. Fair way. What a way Tony are gonna hang me. Fair way. Alright.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.